Hello everyone, this is Vedansh Rohela. I am a student of grade 9 of Presidium Rajnagar School. Today I am going to show you my model which I have made on COVID diagnosis using Google Cloud AutoML. So let's get started. I have chosen this idea so that using this model it can help to reduce the workloads of doctor by detecting that whether a person is diagnosed as COVID positive or not. So this will help reduce the workload of doctors. So let's get started. So here as you can see, first I uploaded all my images to my bucket using my computer, and in images section I have made two labels with the name as COVID and normal. I have used a total of 288 images, and here as you can see I have labeled these images as COVID and these images as normal. So now I'm going to give some random images, and my model will try to predict those images as COVID or normal. In the next tab, here we can see the average precision, that is 0.946, which is actually a very good precision score. And now if I'll come to see full evaluation, in the evaluate tab, I can see like the precision score of my model is 96.67%, and same goes with the recall score as well. And here is a confusion matrix, like COVID predicted label is 100% and the predicted no COVID percent is in normal is 7 and normal is 93. And I did all this on a confidence threshold of zero point 0.5. So now when I'll come to test and use, and I'll upload images for testing out my data, I'll come to the test section and I'll select, I have labeled these images because I have taken 5 images from the COVID folder and 5 images from the normal folder. So now I'm going to select all these images and my model will try to predict them. So here as you can see we are done with the predictions. Like this image, my model is saying it's COVID positive and the score is 100. 1 means 100%. And my this is for COVID again, that is 0.9999 and 4. And this one is also COVID. This is also same. This is also COVID. So five photos were for COVID and 5 were for normal. So this is normal. It has predicted it correctly. And this one is also normal. This is also normal. And this is also normal. And same goes with this one. So this was all about my model, from how I made it to how I used it. I hope you like my model. Thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.